Here's a plastic model kit I built some time ago. This is a 1964 Buick Wildcat convertible. The plastic white body has never been painted, so it's super clean, but I did finish the interior in red. Unfortunately, the steering wheel is missing, but this is in real good condition because I had it on display for many years. The hood comes off to show the engine. And again, the engine compartment has not been finished with any kind of paint except for the engine itself is in silver. Wheel covers and trim are finished in a silver paint. There's the rear end. Good looking Buick for 1964. The underside has been finished in a flat black with silver gas tank, differential, and engine, transmission, and exhaust pipes finished in silver. So it's a real nice model that I've had for years. 1964 Buick Wildcat convertible. Thanks for viewing.